Morning Dennis, I'm just going to video record my Crocodile light, which you can see it seals right at the top all the way across. Very handy. It's got a manual there, but if I press the button up it goes. The light comes on normally. It's on because I just used it. That's the sensor. Okay. These are solid panels, and it just rolls up into a very nice top and gives the full width of the garage. See my beautiful bike. Yeah. And then you got the override here. Plus the manual override. Click the button, down it goes. Taking up minimal space. Crocodile doors. Absolutely perfect. Thanks.